Hey dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel Trending Topic. Today I came with another great video, and today I'm gonna tell you about MX Player Pro. So these MX Player have tons of premium features such as great audio encoder with AAC, great video encoder with H.264, PIP mode means picture in picture mode, and background audio player, background video player without annoying ads, and online content feature also without ads. Okay, so recently I watched Bhokal in this player, and so I will show you how you can download this MX player directly from my Google Drive. So without any delay, let's roll out our intro. So now we are on my phone screen, and just open any browser for downloading. I am using Google Chrome. Now head over the search bar and paste the URL link. Don't worry about the URL link, I will give you in the description below. So right now it pop-up appears, you can allow or you can deny. Right now I deny this. Also skip this ad. So after I skip the ad, new window appears, so cancel this window. And now we are on the downloading page, so hit the download button. Okay, we are on this page. Okay, download anyway, click on that, click on OK. Okay, downloading start. Okay, it's downloaded, so click on open. So before installing this MX player, please make sure you uninstall previous MX player. Okay, click on the MX player, it start installing, so give the permission install. Okay, here you can see we are successfully installed latest MX Player Pro. So just tap on open, it's opening. Due to this permission allow. Okay, so now we are successfully installed the MX Player Pro. Okay, so yeah, you can see the interface. Now I'm playing the online content, so tap on video. Okay, suggest me some video, click on the language. So here's the web show, and here's the movie section. Okay, let's play Spider-Man Homecoming. Now it's playing, click on allow. Okay, here you can see online content available. Just click on any online content and click on that, skip into, click on there. Okay, now it's playing on PIP mode. Okay, that's how you can install latest MX Player Pro. And here you can see online content available. You can play any online content you want. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Also you can get premium account of some app like G5, Hotstar, Netflix or Amazon. So this video is too short, so you can use the second method to get the premium account. Thank you.